All right, so it says the graph shows the average price of an automobile from 1960 to 1966. What is the average rate of change of the price of an automobile from 1960 to 1965? So we're interested in the rate of the change from 1960 to 1965. So 1960 would be year zero here because it says years since 1960. And so you can see in 1960, the price was 3,000 because this is in thousands. And then in 1965, which would be at the five here, the price is 5,000. So the price goes from 3,000 to 5,000, and that happens in, let's see, 0 years to 5 years, so in 5 years. So we're going to find this rate of change similar to how you would find slope, basically the same way, which is y minus y over x minus x. So you look at the change in the y values over the change in the x values. And so again, we said the price went from 3,000 to 5,000. And let me highlight these to make sure we're looking at the right thing. So we're interested in that and that. But so we're looking at the rate of change between those two values. Now, one thing, don't be concerned that it's not a straight line between those two. It's made up of straight segments, but we're still going to treat it just like there was a straight line here between those. So for the change in the y's, I'm going to have 5,000 minus 3,000. Again, be careful and make sure that you put those prices in thousands over and then 5 minus 0. Now, be careful when you're setting up this y minus y, x minus x. I did, for the y's, I did 5,000 minus 3,000. So I did this value minus that value. For the x's, you have to do it the same way. So I have to do this x minus that x. So don't swap them around. All right. So go ahead and finish this up. So 5,000 minus 3,000 gives us 2,000. So we get 2,000, and then that's divided by 5. And so 2,000 divided by 5 gives us $400, and that's per year. So $400 per year. And that's your rate of change. And it said round to the nearest dollar. It's no decimals, so we're good to go. So keep working hard and you will master the math.